Imagine having to meet and greet your favorite content creators in the Philippines. This was made possible during this year's BaiCon Influencer Festival, centering on the advocacy of digital empowerment. BaiCon has prepared some activities, booths, and performances for everyone to enjoy after its 2-year pause of physical events during the pandemic. Here, fans got the chance to meet their favorite content creators in person and not just behind the screen.
Okay siya kay since aside from meet and greet kay nakaulakaw ra ka diri, then at the same time unexpectedly kay makakuan ra sa inom-inom daw. And unexpectedly kay nakapa-picture ako ko mga influencers, so it's really fun kay I thought sa Kotobra meet and greet ma-meet nimo imong mga influencers, but then makalakaw sa day sila and you get the chance to take a picture with them and talk with them as well.
The purpose of coming here is to meet different influencers, of course, mga idol namo, and of course to meet different people, the community, because grabe kanindot sa community karon, mga fellow vloggers, because I'm a content creator myself, and yeah, and the energy nga akong gipangita for many years.
Nakikilala namin yung iba pang mga influencers, tas nagkakaroon ng bond, ng closeness, ng connections. Sa mga followers, syempre nami-meet din sila, and mga fans, nagkakaroon ng chance na makasama namin sila, and ayun, makabond. Hello mga person! For the go!
One way or another, especially during the pandemic, when we started creating content, for sure we have made some people happy. And in a way, it is also our way of giving back to them. Because hindi kami mapupunta sa napakasikat na estadong ito. Huy, napaka-humble! If not because of them, but yeah, sure. This is also another way of us for thanking them.
Guys, my name is 𝗕𝗶𝗖𝗍 and I'm here for the first time, and I feel like BaiCon is important for me because I'm able to connect with my co-creators, and I'm very excited to meet everyone, especially those who I look up to. And for the fans, it's also the connection, to be able to connect with them.
Plus, they also got to witness their idols perform and flaunt their talents live.
And now, it's very important, and ang saya ko po kasi kasama ko na po finally after like so long na hindi kami allowed to go out of the house, and now we're together, and I think it's such a blessing na I'm with the people na nakikita ko lang online, and now we're together.
It's important to see all the other creators and collaborate, and I guess meet with our base here in Cebu. I'm always in Luzon. All of us are always in Luzon, so it's good to finally see, this audience that supports us online and be with them in person now.
Oh my gosh, it's our second time this year. I'm glad that everything's back. We're seeing people now face to face. I've been waiting for this moment like for a while, ever since the pandemic, and it's finally happening. And parang first time ko po to mag-live ulit na face to face with the audience, so I can't wait to see their faces.
The event ended with a music fest with the country's celebrated musicians and artists.